Hi, I'm Reshma Reddy, a researcher with a strong foundation in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and bioinformatics. I hold BSc in biotechnology, MSc in molecular and human genetics, and PhD in clinical embryology. So, where I have developed a tool of embryo grading. I have over 2.5 years of professional experience blended with research, counseling, teaching, and AI project, where I had been in internship at Garbhagudi on andrology and embryology projects, where I had worked on anti-cancer activity on Phyllanthus neruri and S. trilobata for cervical and breast cancer. Next, I have even worked as a stem cell counselor at Cloud9 Hospital, where I had worked as a genetic faculty at Garden City University for 1 year, and I had been as the senior consultant program manager at Glory Dots. I have enrolled for AI and ML offline course at Biotecnika. I have chosen this course because directly helped to upgrade my skills and helps in my PhD research as well. I have worked under Dr. Ilamati ma'am on AI and ML projects, where I have learned more about data analysis, data pre-processing, data visualization, where I have worked on real-time data sets, where I have collected the data sets from Kaggle, GitHub platforms. So by exploring all these things, offline gave me a wonderful experience where I won't be able to expect this kind of experience through online. So coming here to Biotecnika and learning all these things hands-on gave me more quality and quantity to work on my research. And due to this work, it is also going to help my PhD work as well. With this, I have published a paper at Biotecnika on image analysis in life sciences, and also I have worked on pneumonia predicting model using AI and ML. I had knowledge on Python, but I didn't have more in-depth knowledge of Python and libraries for what they'll be using. After coming to Biotecnika, I had got more experience of utilizing PyTorch, TensorFlow, Keras in my research work for image analysis. So I was aware of all this terminology, but I didn't have complete knowledge on all these things. So after coming to Biotecnika, I had got more exposure and more in detail knowledge of all these things with the help of my instructor, and I was able to learn more in detail, and I was able to solve the real-time problems on this. So with this, even I have developed a tool at Biotecnika on how we can predict the pneumonia diseases using AI and ML. So working with this in offline, it gave me a more confidence for me to become as a data scientist. So my major vision was to become a data scientist and enter to an IT sector. The computational skills whichever I have learned in Biotecnika will definitely lead me to achieve my goal as a data scientist. Thank you for the offline opportunities, so that I had got an hands-on experience to utilize and explore on all this on AI and ML. After enrolling here on AI and ML course at Biotecnika and worked on multiple projects, I am now placement ready for data scientist role. Thank you.